Good morning to all of you. I'm Shunty. I'm studying my international school from class 4. Today I'm here to tell you my topic is I make this. This is my topic. It is art and craft kitchen. So how I make, I take one newspaper and fold it and take one cardboard and paste on it and take one pink paper and then I also paste it, then take sketch and I make this face. See, it is looking very beautiful. So I tell you the uses where we use at a motorbike key and we motorbike key and uses at many things we can use. So class, I tell you about this kitchen and I take 1 hour to make this kitchen. Thank you. Have a nice day. See, it is looking very beautiful. So here you can make like that at many. I make only one. And thank you. Have a nice day. Safe home, safe life.